Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Liberian Goddess. Today I am very excited because I will be announcing the winner for my giveaway. We had like almost a whole month to enter into the giveaway, and I just want to say thank you guys because you guys have exceeded my expectations. Okay, so now we are at 200 plus subscribers, so I just want to say thank you all so much, and thank you for entering into the giveaway. I appreciate you all, and I will be announcing the winner momentarily. Okay, so the rules were you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to get 2 people to subscribe to the channel also, and then they have to go on my Instagram and follow me, and also send me an email with the names of the 2 people that you have subscribed to my channel. And so everybody, some people enter, but it did not go like, they did not follow all the guidelines, all the rules, but some of you guys did. And at the end of the day, I can only pick one winner. If you did not win, just keep following the channel because I am planning to do another giveaway soon. Once we hit the 500 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway. So I will be picking names from this giveaway as well, and I will add it to the next one, and you just don't know, you might be a winner also. All right, so this channel is all about visiting unique places, you know, traveling whenever I have time, and also making appearances, you know, at events and stuff. You know, I just want to share my culture with you guys. You know, I am African, I am from West Africa, Liberia, and I love you know, my culture, and I'm also living in the US, so you know, it's like a diverse you know, thing for me because I have kids that were born in the US. You know, I've been here for so many years, and also, you know, it is time for me to just like take a couple of trips, you know, around the world and just do a lot of different things. So if you notice in the background, I am standing somewhere, and I will be doing another video after this one to tell you guys where I am. Okay, I'm standing somewhere very unique, so I will do the video next, but I'm gonna do a drum roll because it's time to announce the winner. Enough of all the talking and stuff, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so when I call the winner name, when I announce your name, all you have to do is go to my website, flawlessshoe.com, pick out whatever outfit you like, screenshot the outfit, send it to my Instagram with your address, and I will be shipping it out to you. Today is Saturday, so by Tuesday the latest, I will be shipping your gift, your outfits to you. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Again, just go to the website, pick out whatever outfit in the amount of $100, screenshot it, send it to my DM, and along with your address, and I will send it out to you by Monday or Tuesday the latest. And once I ship it out to you, I will send your tracking number and everything. Okay, let's do the drum roll, and the winner is, congratulations to you, girl. Congratulations. Thank you for following all the rules, and thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I appreciate you all. So make sure you reach out to me after you pick out your outfit, and the website is flawlessshoe.com, www.flawlessshoe.com. the link is right here. I will put the link also in the description below, so just go and pick out your outfit. Thank you so much, guys. See you all.